In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use sheetgraph count functions. CountDown.sk function returns the height of the region of non-blank cells downwards from the specified row range. Count functions are dependent and not standalone functions. In first case, I will show CountDown function along with serial number.sk function. The second argument of serial number function is rows. Therefore, let us use CountDown function to get the rows. The only argument of CountDown function is row range. Provide the first cell of the row range, that is E9. We got the serial numbers respective to the row's height. In second case, I will show you CountDown function along with fillDown.sk function. Filldown.sk copies a range of cells downwards over a range of the specified height. The second argument of fillDown function is height. Therefore, let us use CountDown function to get the height. Provide the first cell of the row range, that is cell L9. We got the values respective to the row's height. Third case, I will show you CountDown function along with reshapeRows function. ReshapeRows.sk function returns an array of a desired size produced by arranging the values of the input range. The second argument of reshapeRows function is height. Therefore, let us use CountDown function to get the height. Provide the first cell of the row range, that is cell W9 here. We got the values respective to the row's height. We will now have a look at the CountRight function. CountRight.sk function returns the width of the region of non-blank cells rightwards from the specified column range. In first case, I will show you CountRight function along with fillRight.sk function. FillRight.sk copies a range of cells rightwards over a range of the specified width. The second argument of fillRight function is width. Therefore, let us use CountRight function to get the width. The only argument of CountRight function is column range. Provide the first cell of the column range, that is cell E8 here. We got the values respective to the column's width. In the second case, I will show CountRight function along with reshapeColumns function. ReshapeColumns.sk function returns an array of a desired size produced by arranging the values of the input range. The third argument of reshapeColumns function is width. Therefore, let us use CountRight function to get the width. Provide the first cell of the column range, that is cell E26 here. We got the values respective to the column's width. This was a short tutorial of sheetgraph's count functions. Thank you.